Join me as I dive into the juicy challenge of uncovering the secrets hidden inside 100 grams of watermelon. Today, we are going to be exploring what's really inside this seamless, simple fruit. We're not just talking about the sweet, juicy, fresh, but the actual nutrients that make up 100 grams of watermelon. It's fascinating to think that something we often take for granted can hold so many surprises. So let's get started and see what we can discover. When we think of watermelon, we often think of it as a sugary fruit that is perfect for hot summer days. But that's only part of the story. Many of us believe that watermelon is basically empty calories with no real nutritional value. Some even think it's a guilty pleasure that should be avoided. But what if I told you that is not entirely accurate? In fact, watermelon is packed with nutrients that can have some amazing benefits for our health. Another common misconception about watermelon is that it's high in sugar and low in fiber. While it's true that watermelon contains natural sugars, it's also a great source of water and fiber, making it a nutritious snack that can actually help with digestion. And let's not forget about the antioxidants and vitamins that watermelon contains, which can help protect us from oxidative stress and inflammation. But what really got me curious was the difference between the nutritional content of watermelon versus other fruits. Is it really that unique, or is it just another fruit that is being overhyped? As I dug deeper, I discovered some fascinating facts that challenged everything I thought I knew about watermelon. Watermelon is made up of about 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits out there. It's also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, an antioxidant that is being linked to several health benefits. But what really surprised me was the amount of citrulline, an amino acid that is found in high concentrations in watermelon. Citrulline has been shown to have some amazing benefits, from improving blood flow to reducing muscle soreness. As I learned more about watermelon, I discovered that it's been cultivated for over 4,000 years, originating in Africa and spreading to the Middle East and Europe. It's even mentioned in ancient texts, like the Egyptian, as a symbol of abundance and fertility. But what really blew my mind was the fact that watermelon is part of the cucurbitaceae family, which includes other fruits like cucumber, squash, and melons. One of the most surprising findings I came across was the potential anti-inflammatory effects of watermelon. The citrulline and lycopene in watermelon have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help with conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. It's incredible to think that something as simple as watermelon could have such a profound impact on our health. In conclusion, watermelon is so much more than just a sweet treat. It's a nutritional powerhouse that deserves to be recognized. From its high water content to its unique antioxidants and vitamins, watermelon is a fruit that should be celebrated. So next time you slice into a juicy watermelon, remember all the secrets it holds inside. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of watermelon. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite way to enjoy watermelon, or do you have any juicy facts to share? And if you're curious about more fruit-related secrets, be sure to check out my next video on the surprising benefits of bananas.